Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the mouse pulling rate for your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed. So to do this you'll need to get the Razer Synapse app, and you can download it from their website. Also go for the Google, enter Razer Synapse, and you should be able to find it easier. Now to change the mouse pulling rate, let's click on our Razer Basilisk. Here go for performance, and now there should be pulling rate, the frequency of data updates in a second, and here make sure that you're using the highest setting possible for the gaming, as this improves the overall moving of your mouse on how fluent it moves. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.